Hi guys, I am Lakshmi Saroja. Welcome to Princess of Tech. In the previous videos, we discussed about introduction of SQL, DBMS and its types, summary of SQL, installation and how to run the queries, aliasing, literals, and the concat operator. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about operators in SQL. There are different types of operators in SQL. Arithmetic operator, relational operators, logical operators, special operators. First, we discuss about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform the arithmetic operations on numerical values. The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, which are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Next, coming to the syntax of arithmetic operators. The syntax is select expression, arithmetic operator, expression from table name. Next, let's see one example. Select sal plus commission from EMP. Now here sal plus commission means it adds salary plus commission of the employee and give it as output. Next one, relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values or two expressions and return the Boolean result. The relational operators are less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. First, less than. Less than checks whether the left operand is less than the right operand. If it is true, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Likewise, these are perform the operations. The syntax for the relational expressions is same as the syntax of the arithmetic operators. Select expression, relational operator, expression from the table name. Let's see one example. Select salary from EMP where salary less than, take any value. Here the output will become like this. Next one is logical operators. Logical operators are used to specify the condition in SQL. They return the true or false based on the result. The logical operators are and, are, and not. First one, AND operator. AND operator returns true if both the conditions are true. R will return true either one of the condition will be true. And not will take either true or false. It only takes one of the value and it becomes true from the false and false from the true. Example, let's see. Select ename from the employee where department name is equals to manager and salary must be greater than something value. Then the output will become as like this. Next, we will discuss about special operators. The special operators in the SQL are between and, in, is null, like operator. First, between and. Whenever we have any range of values, that time we can make use between and operator. Syntax for the between and operator is select column name between lower range and higher range. Let's see one example. Select salary between 1000 and 2000 from the EMP table. Let's run the query and the output it is given is this. Next, in operator. In operator, for a single column we have the multiple conditions, then we go for the in operators. The syntax of the in operator is select column name in open braces data. Example, department in 10, 30 means we have two conditions in the department, only based on the department number. That's why you are using in operator. Select job in manager and analyst means it given the employee names of who are manager and who are analyst, both of them it is given as output. Next is null operator. Is null operators are used to get the null values from the table, means whether it present the null values, it takes the null values. If the null value is present in the table, then it gets the null values. The syntax of this is select column name is null. Let's see example. Select commission is null from EMP. Like operator. Like operator is a wildcard operator which is used to perform the wildcard operations. In this like operator, there are two sub operators, modulus, underscore. Modulus is used to print 0 to n number of characters, and second underscore used to print a single character. Let's see some examples. Display all employees whose naming is having letter E as last but one character. Then how we write this query? Select star from EMP where E name like %E underscore. Here E name contain any number of characters. That's why we are using the modulus before E, because E is the last but one character. That's why before we are using the modulus, and after E there is only one character. That's why we are using the underscore. Then the output for this is this. Thanks for watching.